Welcome back to the channel. Happy Tuesday. I have an exciting promotional project to go over with you today. This one is called Havoc. Here's their website, havoc.rip. They are a wallet and crypto trading platform. They are a new project. Now, I know some of my viewers love the new projects I cover, some not quite as much, but there is money to be made. Now, I know this review is about Havoc, but first, just let me take 20 seconds. Let me show you what happened to a project I covered last week on my channel. Raptor Jesus down here, covered it about 6-7 days ago. It hit exchanges yesterday. Here's the chart since then, looking pretty damn good, right? It did a 17x, started at $210,000 market cap, went up to a 3.6 million market cap. It's all-time high. It's a 17x. Right now it's at about a 2.8 million market cap, so like a 13x. 14x, and it was down here at the 300K market cap for a while, a couple hours. So it's not like you had to just race in and beat all the bots and get a quick trade in. There was a lot of profit potential here. There is money to be made in new projects. Don't write them off. Let's get into Havoc. I'm very excited. This is another new one. So let's look at the metrics first of all. So again, they're a wallet and crypto trading platform. So they've been tweeting since May 31st. They're about 2 weeks old. They do have a tradable token. They've been trading on CoinMarketCap here since June 7th. This is pretty good price action right here. It's definitely finding some support right here. This chart looks like it is ready for another leg up. It looks like it's kind of up overall. You know, a lot of projects go down. Not this one. It's up about 20-25% since inception a few days ago. Now, its current market cap, 160,000. It gets up to about 180, 190,000 since I made this post right here. But small market cap, basically. Not quite micro cap, but definitely a small market cap. They're on the Ethereum blockchain. Currently trading on Uniswap and OpenOcean. That's a decentralized exchange. Now let's look at the DEX tools to get some more metrics. So here's the Havoc price chart, similar to the CoinMarketCap price chart I showed you. Looking pretty good. So 74 DEX T-score, that is pretty good. 5% buy tax, 5% sell tax. They have been audited. It passed with flying colors. The liquidity is locked. Here's the liquidity lock right here. Locked for 6 months till December of 2023. 21% of the LP is burned. More on that in a bit. That's very good. Now let's look at the trading volume down here. This is pretty good. So you got some big trades, a $1,700 trade, a $900 trade, $3,900 trade, $1,000 trade. So liquidity and low liquidity and slippage does not appear to be a major problem here. Now, let's get more into Havoc and what specifically is it. So I mentioned it's a wallet, crypto trading platform, etc. So it's multi-wallet trading made easy. Upgrade your trading with Havoc's tools. Manage wallets, track your portfolio, and seize more profit opportunities. Enjoy stress-free trading with Havoc. Havoc, you no longer have to juggle between multiple wallets and platforms. You can manage all your assets and trade from multiple wallets simultaneously from one convenient interface. Havoc's easy-to-use multi-sender tool allows you to generate new wallets and transfer your funds with ease. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional trades and management. Havoc is here to redefine how you think, trade, and manage your assets. So basically, in a nutshell, it's a Web3 wallet where you manage all your assets and trade from multiple wallets simultaneously under one interface. So like all your different wallets, you can put it under the one single Havoc platform, the Havoc app, and then you can trade from all of them combined simultaneously, dipping into a little bit of one wallet here, another wallet there. You can combine a bunch of different wallets to enter and exit positions. Very cool. I don't really know anything in the crypto space doing that. I like it. What's going on? So to include multiple wallets, there are two options. You can import a private key directly into the Havoc dApp. It's probably what most people do and what I'd recommend. Or you can allow the dApp to generate a new wallet and provide you with a private key for importing into MetaMask. If you're a little bit more comfortable importing everything into MetaMask, that works great too. Either one is fine. So here's what the platform looks like. So it's got a desktop app here, and it has the mobile app as well. So here's like the main wallet address, your Havoc wallet, your Havoc combined wallet, and then here are the 5 individual wallets right here with those wallet addresses. These are the ones you import into Havoc, the holdings, the number of live trades, the trade value, etc. Now, 0.5% of all trades that you make using Havoc will be sent into a profit wallet that will be used as a strategic buyback system for the Havoc token. So another, buyback and burn system for 0.5% of all trades. Now, the app is not quite live yet. The beta version is live, and they are testing it right now. They're testing it with some of the top traders. So that's how we have all the screenshots of what it looks like here. So this team is just plowing forward, making headway, making developments. That's what I like to see. Now, let's look at the specific features of Havoc. So again, control multiple wallets under one login. That's what I've already kind of discussed. So specifically, what you can do in a trading sense, you can close positions by percentage number. So if you have like 5 wallets in there and you want one wallet to only encompass like 17% of the total wallets, you can have it execute a buy or a sell, like a sell when it gets to the 17% value. It's pretty cool. You can front run any scam or honeypot rug function, is close position 4. So essentially, if they find that, if you're invested in one token, then it's dropping by a certain percentage of the total of that fund's total market cap, like 10, 20% within an hour or something, you can automatically, the app Havoc automatically closes your position for you. Pretty cool. So you can buy any contract with multiple wallets simultaneously. So that's kind of like what I mentioned before. You can be like, okay, I want to enter this position in this coin, but I want to take assets from these 3 coins, these 3 wallets, 25% from this one, 35% from this one, 30% or whatever the remainder is to this one, and it does it for you. Very cool. And you can also snipe launch with 1 or more wallets, be the first buy. So this is probably the most useful part. This is what I would use it for. So if you know that a coin is just going to start trading at any minute, like for example, the coin Rap to Jesus, I showed how profitable that was. So if you knew that that was going to trade at 6 p.m. Eastern, on Uniswap, you could set it that, okay, I want to be the first person to enter a position, or just buy it, as soon as you can, right when it starts trading, basically, because it's going to be profitable. You want to buy as soon as possible. Then you can snipe launch, set the app to do that. It can be like, okay, I want to take it from these 3 wallets, X% from each one, buy right when it hits exchanges, best price, fastest execution. It'll do it for you. Neat. This is what the app looks like here with the anti-rug method. Let's see, multi-wallet, LP snipe, etc. You can set the slippage, buy price, sell price, max price, etc. Here's another look at what it looks like here. So here's, instead of like your individual 5 wallets that are underneath the Havoc and what the positions are, it's be the individual positions. So it'll be like, okay, I want this one of the 5 wallets here, and then what are the positions? Okay, I have position of this coin, this coin, this coin. This is the entry price. Here's the total amount. It's the amount in ETH, etc. And a button to close the position if you wish. Now it has 2 modes, Havoc mode and focus mode, to kind of utilize all those utilities and features that we discussed. So focus mode, during focus mode, the DApp operates as a basic multi-wallet sniping tool. It allows for near simultaneous execution of buy transactions from multiple imported created wallets. This is the more basic one. This is what it looks like here. This is just if you want to enter a position from multiple of the wallets you have under Havoc. Now, the more advanced one is the sniper one, just like I kind of mentioned before. So Havoc mode, this has to do with sniper. Havoc mode functions as a multi-wallet sniper with 2 distinct approaches, liquidity and method sniping. Depending on the targeted contract, it can automatically execute buys when liquidity is added or when trading is enabled. So this is what sniper looks like, and this is when you'd want to have it automatically trade right when a token started trading, for example, when you want to buy a position, or if you a certain amount of liquidity was just made available in one coin, then you want to say buy or sell when that happens. You can do that, or the anti-rug function that would be under the Havoc mode there. If you want to, for example, if you see that a price goes down by more than 10 or 20% in a minute or in an hour or whatnot, then it can automatically trade for you there. Let's look at the team. So they are anonymous. They have KYC. They have audited. So that's fine. Most of these new projects are anonymous teams. Here are their names: Havoc RIP, Cousin Havoc, My Crypto Havoc, Paradox of Yours. Again, teams don't need to be more than 4 people. That's perfect. You get the marketing guy, you get the dev, you get 2 sort of admins who kind of probably handle the light marketing posts or Twitter posts, etc. That's what I like to see. They're going to have some more developers behind the scenes later if they get more usage or when they get more usage. I said that they do employ token burn, so they've so far burned 16% of the added liquidity since launch. As mentioned, 5% of all trades go into the app, and then a certain percentage of that gets burned. Additionally, Elon, so look at this here. So Elon Musk, he tweeted cry havoc and let slip the Doge Azure. So, you know, he wasn't specifically mentioning the app, but he was using the word havoc. Apparently it's a word he likes to tweet. We know anytime Elon tweets something, if it's in that name, it's similar name, whatever, that coin pumps. So then literally went from 200,000 market cap up to 600,000 market cap, like a 3x, just because he tweeted that right there. And they'll pull back a little naturally, but you know, if Elon is using the same vernacular that a project is using in their name, that's always a good thing. Anyways, that's it for Havoc, excuse me. All the links are down below. It's a project I'm very excited about. Always do your own due diligence, but I think this is good. You know, this could be a very profitable opportunity if you just want to buy the coin and, you know, invest in it and hope it goes up. It could also be, you know, it's a great app as well. I think, the sniper mode is something that I would definitely be using myself. So I'm excited to see where this project goes. Drop a comment down below, hit the like and subscribe button. I will be back later with a new video. Ben Crypto signing out. Catch you later.